today's Meatless Monday is going to be a little different. Well, it's brought to you by me, so that's the different part. I first started my Meatless Monday doing different recipes to show you guys, like, you know, exact measurements and stuff. But even though I did enjoy those meals, because I'm not going to give y'all anything that I didn't enjoy because I don't want y'all to try it and be like, what is this? But even though I did enjoy those meals, I still have things that I personally do by myself that I like. I can't necessarily give y'all the right measurements because I don't cook with measurements. I'm kind of like a eye person. So today we're gonna do my favorite homemade smoothie. The ingredients I use: mixed fruit, pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mangoes. I don't like mangoes, but we're gonna make it work. Peanut butter. I'm actually obsessed with peanut butter. Don't be alarmed when I'm mixing this with the fruit because like I've had like Smoothie King, and I've tried to put peanut butter in some of my pineapple smoothies and they weren't good. But this one's good because it's a good contrast with all the fruit and you can't really taste the pineapples really honestly at all. So it works. So peanut butter. I use this granola. You can use any granola. I like this because it has the almonds and the honey and the oats, and I just like it. But you can use any type of granola. It doesn't even have to be the sweet granola. It could just be the regular kind. So yeah. And the ice, which I'm gonna just put in there. And forgot spinach. So we freeze the spinach that we're gonna put in the blender just to make it easier. So let's get started. I also forgot almond milk. So I added the ice in there, and I'm gonna add my fruit. I try to add all the frozen stuff first, so because my blender's kind of old, and I try to get all the stuff that really needs to be like crushed up towards the bottom so the blade can hit it. Add some of the fruit. We don't have any right now, but sometimes I will put well, anytime I have a banana, I'll put like half a banana in there. I like putting a banana in there. I like the banana taste. I'm a real texture person, which is why I like smoothies, because with the smoothies, it's just one fine texture, except for with the oats. But the oats don't bother me because I like them. Spinach. And last but not least, the peanut butter. I'm using this because just in case the peanut butter sticks to the sides, I can push it down. Not trying to get that much. I will go overboard with peanut butter. A little bit more. Okay. We'll keep that right there. And we're about to blend. Okay, we're finally done blending. So today my smoothie is green. With using the same stuff, I've gotten a green smoothie, a pink smoothie, and like a light pink smoothie. It all depends on which fruits, because it's a mixed bag, it all depends on which fruits fall. And with this one, I guess more of the yellow fruits fell, so that's why it's green, because it took on the green spinach. So we are done. As you see, I still got some in there because I always overdo it. But we're done. And that is how I make my smoothie. Hope you guys enjoyed.